Ochsner Health tells us the amount of coronavirus patients in its hospitals has doubled in recent weeks. Ochsner CEO Warner Thomas gave us that update. He says after reaching a low of 50 or 60 patients in their facilities about a month ago, there are now 229 patients in Ochsner hospitals across all regions. Acadiana has seen the biggest increase. Thomas says staffing has been a challenge as more patients arrive. Between treating coronavirus patients and emergency room and clinic visits getting back to normal, it's forced Ochsner to bring in temporary nurses from agencies to help out. And looking at this graph, you can see Louisiana has seen a steady increase in hospitalizations since shortly after we entered phase 2. Right now, more than 1,000 people are in the hospital. This is the first time we've been above 1,400 since May 7th.